Are you ready for an adventure? Hello, everybody. I am so excited you're here today. Today, we're going on a whirlwind tour of the world's most luxurious, exclusive, and mind-blowing travel experiences. These aren't just vacations, they're trips that open your eyes to what's possible. So get comfortable, grab a snack, and let's start this journey together. Imagine yourself in these places. Feel the sun, taste the food, hear the sounds. Are you ready? Let's see what beautiful, amazing things are waiting for us out there. Let's embark on a journey to a place where turquoise waters meet pristine sands, where luxury knows no bounds, and where every moment feels like a dream. First stop, the Maldives. A destination synonymous with paradise, the Maldives beckons with its unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer magnificence of this tropical haven. Imagine arriving by boat, the gentle sea breeze caressing your face as you approach your destination. The anticipation builds with each passing moment, knowing that you're about to experience something truly extraordinary. To your own private island, a sanctuary of seclusion and serenity. Here, amidst lush greenery and swaying palm trees, you'll discover a world of unparalleled luxury and personalized service. This is where your worries fade away and your senses awaken to the beauty that surrounds you, surrounded by impossibly blue water. The vibrant hues of the Indian Ocean stretch out before you, inviting you to dive in and explore its hidden depths. The crystal-clear waters teem with marine life, offering a glimpse into a world of wonder and enchantment. This isn't just a hotel, it's an escape from the ordinary, a chance to indulge in the extraordinary. It's your own retreat, a personal paradise designed to cater to your every whim and desire. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or simply a moment of peace, you'll find it here in abundance. With a villa on the sand, where the gentle sound of waves lulls you to sleep each night. Wake up to breathtaking sunrises, and spend your days basking in the warmth of the tropical sun. And a personal host, dedicated to ensuring your stay is nothing short of perfection. From arranging excursions to anticipating your needs, your host is there to make your dreams a reality. Greeting you with a cool drink, a refreshing welcome to your island paradise. Sip on exotic cocktails as you unwind and soak in the breathtaking views that surround you. Here, service is so personalized it transcends mere hospitality. It's an art form. Every detail is carefully considered, every request is met with a smile, and every guest is treated like royalty. They know what you want before you do. Anticipating your every need, the staff ensures that your stay is seamless and unforgettable. Dinner, grilled fish on the beach, prepared with the freshest ingredients and bursting with flavor. Feet in the sand, as you savor each bite under a canopy of stars. The gentle sound of the waves provides the perfect soundtrack to your romantic evening. Breakfast, floating in your private pool, a decadent spread of culinary delights served right to your doorstep. Step from your villa and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that surrounds you. Straight into the ocean, the warm, inviting waters beckoning you to explore. No tour needed, just pure, unadulterated access to the wonders of the underwater world. Just swim and snorkel, and discover the kaleidoscope of colors that lies beneath the surface. With vibrant fish darting amongst the coral reefs, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. And sea turtles, graceful creatures gliding effortlessly through the water. The world melts away. Stress and worries become distant memories as you embrace the tranquility of your surroundings. It's pure freedom and joy. A sense of liberation washes over you as you reconnect with yourself and the natural world. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, the sky explodes in color, a breathtaking spectacle that will leave you in awe. And you realize this is more than luxury. It's an experience that transcends the material world. It's a deep connection, a profound sense of belonging to something greater than yourself, to nature and yourself. It's a time for reflection, for gratitude, and for embracing the present moment. The only sounds are waves and seabirds, a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. It's a reminder of how beautiful our world is, a testament to the power and grace of nature. The Maldives, a destination that redefines paradise, the ultimate yes place, where dreams come true and memories are made that will last a lifetime, where every moment feels precious and unforgettable, like it was made just for you. A truly personalized experience awaits, tailored to your desires and preferences, ensuring that your time in the Maldives is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine this. The first light of dawn paints the African sky in hues of gold and rose. Now, picture waking up, not to the jarring sound of an alarm clock, but to a lion's roar. a primal symphony echoing across the vast plains, a sound that vibrates through your very core, connecting you to the ancient rhythm of the wild. This isn't just any wake-up call, it's a greeting from the heart of Africa, on the African savanna. You're not roughing it. You're enveloped in luxury, nestled in a five-star lodge, a sanctuary of comfort amidst the untamed wilderness. The anticipation builds as you consider the day ahead, and you find yourself pulling back your tent flap. Before you, an awe-inspiring vista unfolds, revealing a golden landscape bathed in the soft, ethereal light of the rising sun. The horizon stretches endlessly, dotted with acacia trees, their silhouettes painting a timeless scene against the vibrant sky. As the day awakens, graceful giraffes, with their elegant necks reaching for the sky, and zebras wander by, their stripes a dazzling contrast against the golden grasses, a living tapestry of nature's artistry. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, a comforting ritual as you sip coffee, savoring the moment, and preparing for the adventures that lie ahead. Your guide, a seasoned expert with an intimate knowledge of the land, is a master tracker, deciphering the subtle signs of the wild. He's not just a guide, he's a storyteller, sharing stories passed down through generations, tales of the animals, the land, and the ancient traditions of the African people. With keen eyes and unparalleled expertise, he's adept at spotting wildlife, revealing hidden wonders that would otherwise go unnoticed. His ability to read the landscape is uncanny skill, a testament to years spent immersed in the rhythms of the bush. Every game drive is unique, a new chapter in an unfolding story, a chance to witness the unpredictable beauty of the African wilderness. One moment, you're mesmerized by the gentle giants, elephants, their massive forms moving with surprising grace. The next, a cheetah, sleek and powerful, emerges from the tall grass. It's a thrilling display of nature's raw power as the cheetah prepares for the hunt. You witness the raw circle of life, the delicate balance between predator and prey, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Standing in the vastness of the savanna, you feel both small, a tiny speck in an immense landscape, and deeply connected to the wild, a part of something ancient and profound. As the sun dips below the horizon, evenings bring fireside stories, shared under a canopy of stars. Laughter and conversation flow freely, accompanied by the clinking of glasses and the refreshing taste of gin and tonics. The day culminates in gourmet dinners under the stars, a culinary experience that tantalizes the senses and nourishes the soul. It's not just a trip, it's a transformative experience. It's a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a journey into the heart of the wild, a place where you can reconnect with nature, with yourself, and with the primal essence of life. It's a place where adventure and peace meet, where the thrill of discovery is balanced by the serenity of the African landscape, leaving you forever changed. Imagine skipping airport lines and boarding your own private jet for a global adventure. You're greeted by name, whisked through a private lounge, and step onto a jet that feels like a flying five-star hotel. Every seat is first class, every meal is gourmet, and the crew knows your preferences. The itinerary? Kyoto's temples, the Great Barrier Reef, Marrakech's markets, Buenos Aires tango halls, all in one seamless journey. Private tours, exclusive dinners, and behind-the-scenes access await at every stop. It's not just about seeing the world. It's about experiencing it in the most refined, unforgettable way. Next, we're in Bora, staying in an iconic overwater bungalow. Wake up to the sound of water beneath you and a view of endless blue. The glass floor lets you watch fish swim by as you sip your morning coffee. Slide open the doors. Your living room becomes a deck, and your deck becomes the ocean. Swim straight from your private ladder, or have breakfast delivered by outrigger canoe. At night, stargaze from your deck, lulled by the gentle rhythm of the sea. Here, luxury is the freedom to do nothing at all, surrounded by pure beauty. Bundle up, we're heading to Antarctica. Board a boutique expedition ship, crossing legendary waters in cozy comfort. Experts on board prepare you for the wonders ahead. Your first iceberg appears, glowing blue, followed by a horizon filled with ice. Zodiac boats take you close to penguin colonies, seals, and, if you're lucky, breaching whales. After each adventure, return to hot towels, gourmet meals, and panoramic views. It's a journey of contrasts, raw, untouched nature and refined comfort. Antarctica is a reminder of our planet's majesty and fragility. Now, let's journey to the tranquil mountains of Japan, a place where ancient traditions meet serene landscapes. Imagine a retreat far from the hustle and bustle, a sanctuary where time seems to slow down, and the air is filled with a sense of peace. Here, nestled amidst the breathtaking scenery, you'll stay in a traditional Ryokan, a Japanese inn that embodies the essence of hospitality and relaxation. These aren't just hotels, they are immersive cultural experiences. As you approach the entrance, you'll slide open the door, a symbolic gesture of leaving the outside world behind. You'll then leave your shoes in the Genkan, a traditional entryway, and all your worries behind, stepping into a realm of calm and serenity. Prepare to step into minimalist beauty, where every detail is carefully curated to create a sense of harmony and peace. The clean lines, natural materials, and uncluttered spaces invite you to unwind and reconnect with yourself. The Okami, the gracious hostess, greets you in a beautiful kimono, offering a warm welcome and ensuring your stay is nothing short of perfect. You'll then slip into a soft yukata, a light cotton robe, the perfect attire for relaxing and embracing the Ryokan experience. Your room is serene, a sanctuary designed for ultimate relaxation. You'll find tatami mats underfoot, low tables for tea, and a breathtaking view of nature unfolding outside your window. But the true highlight is your own private onsen, a hot spring bath located right on your balcony, offering unparalleled privacy and tranquility. You can soak in mineral-rich water known for its therapeutic properties, all while surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. The gentle breeze rustling through the trees, the chirping of birds, and the distant murmur of a stream create a symphony of serenity. As evening approaches, dinner is kaiseki, a meticulously prepared multi-course feast, a culinary journey that tantalizes the senses. Each dish is a work of art, showcasing seasonal ingredients and artfully presented with exquisite attention to detail. Staying here is more than just a vacation. It nourishes both body and soul, leaving you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and deeply connected to the present moment. It's an experience that offers a quiet, profound luxury, a chance to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary beauty of Japan. Step aboard the Venice Simplon Orient Express, a rolling time machine of elegance. Your private cabin is a jewel box of Art Deco design. Watch Europe's countryside roll by, disconnected from the modern world. Dressing for dinner is part of the fun. Black tie, evening gowns, and exquisite restaurant cars. Chefs prepare multi-course meals with local ingredients picked up along the route. After dinner, gather in the bar car for cocktails and conversation. It's a journey steeped in history, glamour, and romance, a true travel classic. Ready for a new perspective? Take a helicopter over the Grand Canyon. Lift off over pine forests, then suddenly the ground drops away and the canyon opens beneath you. The scale is staggering. Layers of ancient rock, the Colorado River winding below. Some tours descend into the canyon, landing on a private bluff. Enjoy a champagne picnic at the canyon's heart, surrounded by silence and grandeur. It's a humbling, unforgettable way to experience one of nature's greatest wonders. Hungry? Let's tour France through its Michelin-Starred restaurants. Drive through Burgundy or Provence to a chateau or modern culinary temple. The service is flawless, the food is art, each plate a masterpiece. Savor flavors and combinations you've never imagined. Join the chef at a local market, taste wine in ancient cellars, or take a cooking class. It's a journey for all the senses, and a celebration of French tradition and innovation. For our grand finale, charter a private yacht in the Mediterranean. Wake up in a secluded cove, breakfast on deck, the sea your playground. Swim, jet ski, or relax. Every day is yours to design. The crew anticipates your every need, from hidden coves to glamorous ports. Dine ashore in Monaco or under the stars on your yacht. It's the ultimate in freedom, privacy, and luxury. A perfect end to our journey. What a journey! From the Maldives to the Med, we've explored the world's most incredible experiences. Which one is your dream trip? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Let's keep building our bucket list together. If you loved this adventure, hit subscribe for more. Until next time, be a traveler, not a tourist. Bye, everybody.